Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. In the last class, yes, children, good morning. In the last class, what we were learning? Huh? What we were learning? Tell me what we were learning. Don't know? Can't you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Then, what we were learning in the last class, children? Languages, the dress code and all, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Riza, this is not your class, Riza. Okay, so today let us learn the 22 official languages. How many official languages do we have?
22.
And what are the total number of languages we have?
1,600.
1,600, isn't it? We have totally 1,600 languages, but in that 22 languages are called as official languages. Yes? One second. So children, in that we will learn today 6 or more than 6 languages. Let's how much language we can learn. How many languages we are learn? 22
languages.
official
languages. 22 official languages.
In that, how much we should learn today?
22.
Huh?
22.
We should learn 22 today. So that 1 minute. 1 minute.
കറക്റ്റ് ക്ലാസിന്റെ സമയത്ത് തന്നെ ഓക്കെ എനിക്ക് ചേട്ടന് വേണോ
Who was speaking in Malayalam over there? Sana Maria, please mute. I can hear whatever your parents are talking there. Sana Maria, please mute.
Ma'am, we cannot see you.
What? Parth Sarathi, I cannot see you. Okay. Children, can you see the board right now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So let us see in which all countries in India, which all states in India, which all languages they are speaking. Let us see. Sana Maria, I will have to remove you if you are not. Oh. All the things what they are speaking at home, I can.
India map.
Yes, this is the map of India. And here you can see in which all states, which all languages are spoken. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So let us learn the easy languages first. Let us learn the easy languages first. Which all states' names and the same language they speak. The state's name and the language will be almost same. Check the first one.
Jammu and Kashmir.
Jammu and Kashmir. Then second one.
Himachal Pradesh.
No, the state and the language should be same. One.
Punjab. Punjabi. Rajasthani, Gujarati, Marathi, Konkani,
Marathi and Maharashtra is almost learn that also.
Konkani.
Ah, wait. Children, wait. Do you have a rough book in front, children? Yes?
No.
Yes. So let us write something.
Yes.
Yes. The first language which we will learn today is Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, you write state like this. And here you can write the language. Okay?
You should write and study.
Not write and study, you just understand. You just learn it. Okay, there is no need of writing and studying and all. State is Jammu and Kashmir. You can look here for the proper spelling. And straight you write Kashmir. What is it? Kashmir.
In what we want to write?
Rough book, dear Meenakshi.
These all languages. Ma'am, write the languages.
Yes. Here like this you write state one side, language one side. Jammu Kashmir, put one and write Jammu Kashmir. Here you write Kashmiri. See, here it is, isn't it? You can see on the map also.
Kashmiri, there is
Sorry?
Finish.
What is it, Vaishnav?
there is no I in Kashmiri. You did not write.
There is, now there is. Check out.
Yes. No, ma'am. Now is there.
I finished Arthur Martin. Ma'am, Arthur Martin finished.
Yes, second one you write Punjab. I am writing on the map now. So you can easily
No,
check
there
the
is.
spellings.
Punjab.
State
Punjab.
Punjab,
Punjab.
Punjabi.
Punjabi.
Did you wrote? You write.
Punjabi. Finish, ma'am.
Third one.
Punjabi.
Third one. Rajasthan. Rajasthani.
Rajasthan.
You are writing like this itself, no? Punjab. Here Punjabi.
State.
Like this you have to write, okay? Here third one is Rajasthan.
Rajasthani.
Rajasthani. Then fourth one. Raj. Rati. If somebody is asking you the state's name, you should know the language. Only that I want from you. Sanya Krishna, are you writing? Sanya Krishna, are you writing?
I now only joined. Meenakshi is also now only joined. Remember, Divan, you right? Which book?
Which book? It is in rough book, dear children.
Punjab. Punjabi. Ma'am, finish.
Finish.
Fifth one. Maharashtra.
Maharashtra, Maharashtra,
Marathi. Sixth one. One more we will learn today, which is not of a country's name. What is it? Goa.
Karnataka, Bhojpuri and Tulu.
We will come to it later. How we will learn all the 22 today? We will not be able to learn all the 22 today. Goa, Konkani. One second.
English also.
Sana Maria, please mute. Whatever discussion is going on in your house, it's coming up. Sana Maria, please mute.
I finished. Can you show the board?
Finished, children?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, yes.
Wait. Finish.
Yes. Finish.
Finished.
Goa, Konkani.
Konkani. Don't say Kongani. No.
Konkani. Konkani. Next. Next. Tamil Nadu.
Completed?
Yes.
Today we will learn 6 languages. Which are they? Jammu and Kashmir,
Kashmiri,
Kashmiri,
Punjabi, Rajasthani,
Punjab,
Gujarati, Marathi, Punjabi, Rajasthan, Rajasthani, Gujarati,
we learned today 6 languages, isn't it? Yes? We learned today
6
languages.
6 languages.
Sixth one, you can see here, those who have not completed, Goa, Konkani. Sixth one, did you see? Netik. You saw? Okay, fine, right. Now, Jammu and Kashmir, what is the language? Kashmiri. Punjab, Punjabi. Rajasthan, Rajasthani. Gujarati. Maharashtra, Marathi. Goa, Konkani. Repeat, children. Repeat the same thing. Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmiri. Netik, repeat. Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmiri. Rajasthan. Rajasthani. Gujarat. Gujarati. Maharashtra. Goa. Konkani. Isn't it? All those are the 6 languages we learned today. Okay, children, did you understand the 6 languages which we learned today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? In the next class also, I want you to have the same paper. Okay, I saw Netik is writing in a paper. So Netik, I want you to have the same paper with you for the next CBS period. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, we are going to learn something different from this, but which is interacted with this. Now, lingual. Have you heard of the name lingual, the word lingual?
No. Yes.
Who said no and who said yes?
No, I did not hear it.
Okay. What is the word I said?
Lingual.
Lingual. L-I-N-G-U-A-L. Lingual. What is it?
Lingual.
Don't write. This is for your knowledge only. L-I-N. What is it? L-I-N. G-U.
Lingual. L-I-N-G-U-A-L.
Lingual. Lingual means the languages you speak. The languages
You speak.
Okay. If I say I know only Malayalam, I know to speak only Malayalam. Lingual I am. What lingual I am? I know only one language.
Malayalam.
One lingual only I know. So I will say I know I am a mono lingual. What is it? Don't write. Don't write. I am a. Let's listen here. I am a monolingual. I know only one language. I know only one language. So if I know only one language, it can be Malayalam, it can be English, it can be Hindi, but I know only one language. If I know only one language, then I am a monolingual person. What is it?
Monolingual person.
Okay, now, Suvrit, don't sleep. Now, if I know 2 languages, bilingual. What is it?
Bilingual.
If I know 2 languages, it is bilingual. Children, how much languages do you know to speak? Adar Martin knows only one language?
No.
2 languages. So you are a bilingual person, isn't it, Arda?
2 language. Arabic
language.
Malayalam.
You don't know to speak Hindi?
Yes.
Then why are you not telling? Malayalam. English. Hindi. Isn't it? You know 3 languages. So if you know 3 languages, what type of people are you? Bilingual. What is it? Bilingual. How many languages you know? 3. What is it, children? 3. If you know only one language, you are monolingual. If you know 2 languages, you know you are a bilingual person. If you know 3 languages, you are a trilingual. Sumrit. Now, if you know more than 3, it can be any number, 4, 5, 6, 7, 100, 1,000, any number of languages. Then, what we will call that?
Multilingual.
Beautiful. You are learning multiplication. Multiplication means multiples of a number, isn't it? Multiples of 3, multiples of 5, multiples of 1, multiples of 10. Multiples means many. Multiples means many. So here, multilingual means more than 3.
Multilingual.
Multilingual person. So you know more than 3 languages. Here, lingual means what? Language. What is it? Language. So, if you know only one language, you are a monolingual person.
If you are
bilingual.
Bilingual is 3 languages. Multilingual is more than
Multilingual. What is it?
Multilingual.
Understand? Did you Karthik, you are walking around the house?
Ma'am, I am also.
No range?
No.
Ah. Okay. So, we learned about the people who know number of languages. What is it? Monolingual is a person
Monolingual
who
speak one
bilingual,
Two language.
two
trilingual,
three
multiple, multilingual, and three. So say together, children. Monolingual, bilingual, trilingual, multilingual. Yes. So many languages. Multilingual. So again, monolingual. Any one finger. Monolingual. Bilingual. Trilingual. Multilingual. Is it? Multilingual. Isn't it? These are the languages about a person. The languages a person knows. Isn't it? These are the languages known for a person. If a person knows one language, he is called as a monolingual. If he knows two languages, he is called as a bilingual. If he knows three languages, then he is called the trilingual. Then many languages, multilingual. Okay, understood? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. So, what all things we learned today, children? We learned 6 languages, 6 official languages. And the linguals.
Who speaks 422
So you should say, we learned 6 official languages. We learned today 6 official languages. And what else we learned today?
Person who speaks 1, 2, 3.
Linguals. You can say it as linguals. You have learned linguals and 6 official languages. Which are the 6 official languages we learned today?
Kashmiri, Punjabi, Rajasthani, Marathi, Kashmiri, Punjabi, Rajasthani, Gujarati, Marathi,
Rajasthani.
Korea.
Which one?
Gujarati,
Marathi. Konkani. These are the 6 languages we learned today, and we have learned the states of this also, isn't it? Kashmiri is in
Jammu, Kashmir,
Jammu and Kashmir. Maharashtra is in Punjab. Rajasthani is in Rajasthan. Gujarati is in Marathi in Maharashtra. Konkani in Goa. Now, here what all things we learned in linguals.
Bilingual, trilingual,
What do you mean by lingual, children?
Multilingual.
Lingual means
Language.
language.
More than 3.
A person
What?
Monolingual, a person who speaks more than 3 languages.
Multilingual means a person who speaks more than 3 languages.
Languages.
Bilingual means a person who speaks 3 languages. Bilingual means a person who speaks 2 languages. Monolingual means a person who speaks
one language.
1 language. Isn't it? Children, there is a question. There is no need of taking any book or something. I am asking you, there is a question in your workbook. If Janaki can speak English
Which
and
book? Ma'am, which book?
it's in workbook, children. If you don't have, don't take. I'm just discussing the questions. That's it.
Ma'am, which page? Which page?
It's page number 4.
Yes.
Don't write. I'm just asking you whether you know, whether you understand it or not. Children, listen to the question. If Janaki can speak English and Marathi, then which of the following is?
He is bilingual.
She is bilingual, she is monolingual, she is trilingual, she is multilingual.
Bilingual.
Yes, bilingual. Isn't it? Yes or no? Yes. This is how the questions will come. I may ask something else rather than this. Okay, I may change the questions into tri, or it can be multilingual. If I give you 4, if Janaki knows, like, listen to the question. If Janaki knows English, Marathi, Malayalam and Tamil, then what is she?
Multilingual.
What is it?
Multilingual.
Multilingual. It's more than 3, isn't it? 4 is also more than 3. So it is multilingual. Yes. So you understood. What is it? Yes, Meenakshi, what is it? What is Meenakshi? I cannot hear Meenakshi. One minute, Meenakshi, 1 minute. Everybody is making noise. Now Meenakshi unmute and speak. Others don't unmute. Yes, Meenakshi.
If Janaki knows 8 languages, we will say multilingual.
Yes, multilingual, yes. If she knows 8 languages also, we will say it as multilingual. Okay. If Janaki knows 100 language also, it is
Multilingual.
Understood, children? So don't get confused with multilingual, bilingual. Multilingual means more than 3. Only 3 linguals is having names like monolingual, bilingual, and trilingual. One language is monolingual, 2 languages bilingual, 3 languages trilingual, more than 3, any numbers, multilingual.
If she knows 1,000 million languages, she is multilingual, yeah?
It is multilingual, isn't it? Even the person knows all the 1,600 languages, then also it is multilingual. But I don't think there is a person who was that much known for that. Like 1,600, I don't think that is possible. Okay, so ask your parents also which lingual they are. Okay, which lingual are they? Like multilingual or bilingual or a simple monolingual person?
My parents are bilingual.
Bilingual. You are trilingual, isn't it, Arthur?
Yes. No, I speak Arabic, Hindi.
So multilingual.
Malayalam, English, Hindi also I will say.
Malayalam, Hindi, English and trilingual. Yes. Who is multilingual over here? Is there anybody with multilingual?
Yes.
Shiva.
Only Malayalam and English.
Come on. Come on, Shiva. Somebody is telling some other. I will come to that person. How much languages Shiva knows?
Malayalam, English, Hindi, Konkani, and Portuguese.
You know Portuguese?
Yes, one word.
One word. That is not multilingual, dear.
Yeah,
Konkani, you know all the things you can speak in Konkani?
I know. No.
Not one word, okay.
No.
Don't tell me about one words.
Okay.
So I know many one words in many languages.
Then only trilingual.
Those who can speak only, you should say the different languages. If you know one word, two words,
I
no.
know how to say.
I know many, in many languages, I know one word, two words and all. Even one sentence also I know. But no, don't do that. If one word, that is not lingual. If you speak properly, your communication is good, then you are a linguistic person. So,
Ma'am,
somebody is there in your family or you yourself? Who
Ma'am,
knows
my
more than-
friend. My friend.
ma'am,
Yes, Meenakshi, what is it, Meenakshi?
My father is multilingual.
Said that my father is multilingual. Vaishnav.
Vaishnav. Yes.
Which all languages, dear?
Hindi,
That you don't know. Just ask and tell me in the next.
Malayalam,
Malayalam,
English, Tamil, Hindi.
Tamil also. Okay, good. Multilingual. Yes. Ardhar, give space for others also. Okay.
Can I tell?
Yes, now you can.
Alif, ba, ta, jim, kha, ta, like that.
What is that? The letters.
Arabic alphabet.
That is not a linguistic thing that you have to learn to speak
Arabic
in Arabic.
letters.
Then only you will be a multilingual person. Yes, somebody else is multilinguistic.
Ma'am, I didn't know Arabic.
I didn't. Yes, I didn't.
I didn't know Arabic 1, 2, 3.
I'm telling you, it is not a linguistic this thing character. Like you have to speak clearly.
Friend.
Communicate
His friend.
Man, see,
by
my
telling
Arabic
1, 2, 3 words or the number names. No. Yes, Ardhar.
Write something. Arabic.
Ardhar is writing the letters
Yes.
in Arabic.
Alif, ba. Alif.
So children, you find out in your house who all can speak multilinguals. Okay, who all are a multilingual person in your house, and tell me in the next class.
My mother.
So many are coming up with different things. If you are speaking together, I will not be able to hear. So in the next class, be sure which all things you can, which all people are there in your house in multilingual characteristics. Okay. So tell me in the next class. Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.